Follow Monica Shimal for Feel Goodness is equal to intuition practice vlog, art and art business tutorials, journaling and more. In last 2 days I have created 12 batch reels. That's almost a month worth of content, and today feeling free to draw from imagination. Next thought came was creativity got wheels. So thought of creating this particular idea through generating in AI in Canva prompt with a prompt creativity got wheels, and then selected tinderbox brush from inking and started drawing with it. You can also use your own creativity with the ideas and recreate. Don't exactly copy from the AI, just recreate it. And here we are using tinderbox brush from inking, which is available directly by Procreate. Next, adjust the lettering according to the wave shape as we are using the sketch. Draw the curve on separate layer and adjust with the help of arrow icon on the left hand side top corner. Use warp and advanced mesh to shape it. Use uniform to center align it. Turn snapping on. You can also use your own creativity after you have learned the tools. Click tool icon, then canvas, then drawing guide, and start lettering. Invent a new idea that feels good here to you. You can also invent your own idea that is coming to your mind. It doesn't have to be the same after you have learnt the techniques. Also, after this, you can try inventing your own design. Do not copy the AI. Click S icon on the left hand side top corner, then freehand cut the wheel. Click copy, paste. It will copy paste wheel on a new layer. Then keep drawing and adjusting as per your own liking. Next, trace the curve for creating flow for clouds and also draw few birds. Be very creative to create a very symmetrical, balanced image. This hand lettering can be anything just like an illustrative art. Next, select painting and then stucco brush for pastel coloring effect. If you also enjoy realistic colors, this is the brush. Next, click S and then freehand cut all the clouds one by one, or you can also select them with the freehand. There is a circle that closes the freehand, and select that particular gray circle, gray dot, and then cut the another cloud, and all the clouds would be on one page. I've selected one by one and then copy pasted on different layer and erased from the main layer. Also, it's depending upon how do you want it. Next, click on each cloud layer. You can even group them all by swiping right and clicking group icon. Select alpha lock and fill layer after selecting the color of your choice, and then color the clouds with stucco brush. Now everything is dependent on you. You can also create like one layer and then creating alpha lock and filling the layer. You can also create different layers of clouds. I prefer selecting different layers, creating different layers, and then putting and coloring it individually. Next, I am taking a reference of a GIF from Instagram stories to see how the car is moving up and down and how the wheels are rolling. A proper cartoon GIF makes the task easier and faster with 12 frames. Now next, click S and then freehand to cut and then copy paste wheels on different layers. Swipe right on layer to duplicate layer and edit to animate the tires of the car. For animation, create two separate layers, rename up and down, then click arrow icon and uniform, then click 5 times up on screen for up layer and vice versa for down layer, so that you can move the image up. Create total 12 layers, 6 of up layer and down layer. Now select first tire by clicking arrow icon, click on green dot while it's selected on the box and type -30 degrees. That will move the tire to 30 degrees. Repeat with another tire. Now use your imagination to animate this as you like, sharing the speed process. Ask queries below, so we'll share more as you like it. Follow Monica C. Shimal for Feel Goodness is equal to intuition practice vlog, art and art business tutorials, journaling and more. Tell me in the comments below what would you like to see more, how can I serve you better, how can I make more videos that helps you grow your art business, your life, feel goodness, intuition, journaling practice. Bye for now. Thank you.